All right. Good afternoon, students. Kindly come and join me here. This is for class 12. Okay. So let me do some arrangements quickly. I hope you all finding me. So if whenever you join, inform to me so that we will start our class. Meanwhile, so I will do let me draw meanwhile this. Shubham, yes, good afternoon, Shubham. Very good morning. Good afternoon. So let me write meanwhile I draw one diagram. All right. Anyhow, all right. Anyhow, how are you all? Many days happen. So I hope clarity was good and everything is fine now. Let's move on to the our chapter number 14, 3D geometry. So anyhow, let me wait some 60 seconds so that remaining also can join. Janisha, good afternoon. All right, some setting was going on. Please kindly wait for some time. So 30 seconds. All right, no more disturbances. Let me start. Before going to start our class, let us close our eyes and then later I will going to discuss. So, God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. And anyhow, yesterday I thought that I want to send you video and with one worksheet, but that becomes as a more GB so that I could not able to upload and it was not able to happen. So that whichever the yesterday's class I was done as an offline video which was unable to upload because of the network issues. So today again we are going to discuss those on. Okay. So means yesterday's class today we are going to discuss. All right. So now three-dimensional geometry. In that place, we are going to discuss because this was asked by Akshit. Previously, he was asked me, sir, what is how, sir, we will get L square plus M square plus N square is equal. Okay. So, how to solve this? Everyone observe carefully now, so that you can able to understand. So, first, this OP having angle with x-axis is alpha and y-axis is beta. So then your z-axis is this with gamma. Okay. So now let me take only this right angled triangle. Then you get to know what I am solving. So here to here, whichever the OP is there, that is your R. So it is R vector and we can say that R. So now here we know in this place from the figure OP is equal to R. OP is equal to R. And take this triangle. So in this is your beta and this is your Y and it is right angle and this is you know that R. And let me give name as OYP. Okay. So now from this, I need to find cos beta because you already know that L is nothing but cos. L is nothing but. So we learned that previously. So L is cos beta, L is sin beta, and that way we learned, right? So that we need to find. So now first I want to find what is cos beta here. From this, cos beta is equal to so base upon hypo. So your base is nothing but here your y, hypo is nothing but r. So cos beta is equal to y r. So now here r is dividing comes to your multiplication. So r cos beta is equal to y. Similarly, you take for gamma, alpha, and those are so you are going to get it. Similarly, I will write here for you. This is x. This is your alpha, and here R. So I'm just drawing the rough diagrams. It is not exact diagrams. Gamma, and it is going to be your Z, and this is R. So similarly, when you go for it, so cos R cos alpha is equal to X, R cos gamma is equal to Z. So similarly, we find from that. Okay, Himanshu, you can close live chat, but you will be available here. Okay. So cos beta is you got as r cos beta is equal to 1. Then x is equal to you got as r cos alpha. Z is equal to r cos alpha. Then OP is equal to r. OP distance here. So here 2 points you are finding. O is 0, 0, 0 and P is x, y, z. Okay. So now OP means what do you know? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square is equal to r. So now what I will do here, just observe carefully, square root of x2 minus x1. So here x minus 0, so that x minus 0 whole square, next y minus on both sides. So when I do squaring on both sides, what I am going to get, just check carefully. So when I squaring on both sides, squaring root get cancelled, only this part whichever under the square root is there, that only we are going to get. So that x square plus y square plus g square is equal to r square. But x means what do you know? R cos alpha. So you already know that L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. Substitute those also. Okay. So now first I'll write this part, then I'll substitute those. Okay. Let me write that part now. X is equal to what is here? R cos alpha. R cos alpha whole square plus r cos beta whole square plus r cos gamma whole square is equal to r square. Now, cos I will give for square for both r square cos square alpha, r square cos square beta, r square cos square gamma is equal to r square. Okay, so now remaining part here I am writing r square common, get cos square alpha. Cos alpha means L, cos square alpha means L square. Then cos square beta means N square. Then cos square gamma means N square. So in all places r square is common, that's what r square common, that is equal to r square. So r square once the r square, so L square plus M square is equal to 1. In this way, you are going to get L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Okay? So that you have to understand. Yes, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. No, 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 here. Yes, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But cos square alpha is nothing but n square because we are thinking n is equal to cos alpha, n is equal to cos beta, n is equal to cos alpha. Okay, so alpha, gamma, beta, we thought just we are writing that. Okay, that is about your proof for n square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Okay, now we are going to our next one, that is equation of a line in space. Equation of a line in space. So today we are going to discuss only theory part. So whether it is half an hour or 40 minutes, how much time it takes, that much time only it will take, don't worry about it. But here today we are going to learn only theory part. Means only concept we are going to learn today. So now next concept is this equation of a line in space. Equation of a line in space. In that first one, a line is uniquely determined. A line is uniquely determined if the first case is it passes through a given point and has given direction, or second one it passes through two given points. See, it is you have to understand what they were saying in the mathematical terms. Equation of a line in space. In the space, so how to find equation of a line? When that line is going to be determined as a uniquely. So a line uniquely determined. So line is going to be uniquely determined only if it satisfies these two conditions. So, sorry, this is our first step. So, in this condition, it is going to be a uniquely determined line. So, in the second condition also, it is going to be uniquely determined. What is the first condition? Means we need to pass through a one point and has given direction. So, here direction need to be given at the same manner. It need to pass through a given point. So next, second one it passes through given points. So in the space space means, so like this empty one is there. In that case, I need to determine a line. So that time what required is, so a point required and the direction is there, then we can uniquely determine that line is unique. So then another one is there, points are there. If any line is passing through this, then that line is going to be determined uniquely. And for that, what is formulas and those are, now we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, with the proofs we can discuss. Proofs also we are going to discuss. Again, you don't need to ask that, sir, how sir these proofs are happened. Okay, I'm going to explain each and everything now. Okay, now we go for only the first condition, that is it passes through a point and given direction. So that we are going to discuss. First we will check the first one. Equation of a line. Equation of a line through capital A, that is your A vector, and parallel to a given vector m. See, we need to find out equation of a line if the given one point and that line is parallel to the given vector m. Okay, you have to find a line equation which is parallel to the vector m and it passes through the point A. Okay, so that how to solve, just observe carefully everyone now. So now I am going to solve it. This is our diagram. So that is A, and let me draw here. And this was your O. So O, A, P, and this line is L. So this was M vector, and this is your A vector. This is OP is nothing but your R vector. Okay. So here, let me think that OP vector is equal to R vector. OP is R vector. And here, this AP is parallel to L vector. See, I said for you here this equation of a line passing through a given point A. So this is a line L is passing through the point A, and which is parallel to the M vector. This is your parallel line M vector. Okay, you observe again carefully here. This is pass a line L passing through the point A. So this is line L passing through the point A, and which is this L line is parallel to the M vector. This you have to remember. Then how to form equation for that? So observe carefully, then you can understand it. So first OP vector is nothing but R and OA is A, and then this whichever is the AP is nothing but OP minus so OA that we will do. Now first thing here, AP is this AP vector is parallel to the M vector. In other words, line L is parallel to the M vector. So whenever parallel symbol if you are removed, we have to keep one constant. So what I do here is AP vector equal to, so the constant I give as lambda. So lambda M vector. Lambda is a constant. Remember it is. So here I'll write in this bracket here lambda is constant. So whenever I hope you learn this kind in your physics, in your physics. So their parallel is there. If you want to remove this parallel symbol, we have to keep equal to symbol and then constant. So that's the reason AP vector is equal to lambda M vector we written. Okay. I hope you all understood why I written this. So next. AP means what I can write? OP vector minus OA vector. So position vector of P minus position vector of A is equal to lambda M vector. So now OP minus OA we need to find. What is our OP? We thought here R. So write that R. So we can write this as R vector minus OA means what do you know here? A vector. So now write as A vector. So here OA vector is nothing but A vector. Remember here OA is A, OP is R, and this N vector is parallel to the line L, that is AP. So now here OP means R, OA means A, that is equal to lambda M vector. Okay. So now here minus is the go to that side plus. So now we can write it as R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda M vector. So this is your equation of a line R. So this is your equation of a line R. So now this is about your equation of a line. This is for this form we can call it as vector form. So this equation is vector form equation. So if you want Cartesian form, that should be in the points form I want. Means like x1, x2, y1, y2, those points you have to get. So for that purpose, what I will do that also check this point. So here now at last what is equation of a line passing through a point A, given point A, and parallel to the given vector M means that is R vector is equal to means the given line equation is equal to A vector plus lambda M vector. So now we are going to discuss about Cartesian form. So Cartesian form. So we are going to discuss now about Cartesian form. So before going to discuss this, first the point also we need equal. So like point A is equal to x1 y1 z1. So point A is x1 y1 z1 and point P I think as x y z. So these are will be done and then next our direction ratios direction ratios of given line m vector is a b c and anything. So when I think this on how to solve, just observe carefully everyone now, then we will solve this very easily. Okay. First, I want what is A vector, what is R vector, and what is our N vector. Then only it is possible to solve. So now first I will go for our N vector. So N vector is equal to. So direction ratios are A, B, C means what we need to write? A I cap, B J cap plus C K cap. So that is your L vector. So now I want for A and T. Same method only. A means what is that? X1 I cap, Y1 J cap, and then Z1 K cap. So in that way only we have to write. We don't want to change anything. So now A is given means small a vector is equal to X1 I cap plus Y1 J cap plus Z1 K cap. Then P is there. P is nothing but R vector. R vector is nothing but X I cap plus Y, then J cap plus Z K cap. Now, what is you have already formula of vector form is what R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda M vector. Or in other words, what we can say here it is R vector minus A vector is equal to lambda, that is equal to M vector. Use this or this, whichever you want you can use. Now I'll use this part. Let me rub this part so that you can understand clearly. So only this part I will rub because that formula we have to use now. Okay, let me check now how to solve. So first, R vector. R vector means what do you know? X I cap plus Y j cap plus Z k cap is equal to A vector. A vector means what is here? X1 I cap plus Y1 j cap plus Z1 k cap. Next, plus lambda m vector plus lambda m vector is nothing but A cap, B j cap, C k cap. So AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap. So these all are written. So now XI cap, YJ cap, ZK cap is equal to, now in both I cap common, write your answer. I cap bracket plus J cap bracket plus K cap bracket. So what I am doing, just observe clearly. I cap common, then what is left? X1 plus lambda A. So write that X1 plus lambda A. And next Y1 plus lambda D. Then Z1 plus lambda C. So we got these answers now. After getting that, compare corresponding elements. Compare corresponding elements. That means I cap with I cap, J cap with J cap, K cap with K cap. So X is equal to X1 plus lambda A. Next here, Y is equal to Y1 plus lambda B. Then Z is equal to Z1 plus lambda C. Now all places find lambda. Plus X1 go to the side minus. So X minus X1 is equal to, I will draw here a line. So now not required this formula. Right. So now here y minus y1 is equal to lambda b, z minus z1 is equal to lambda c. Now here multiplying, go to that side division. So x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to lambda, z minus z1 upon c is equal to lambda. So at last lambda is equal to x minus x1 upon a, that is equal to y minus y1 upon b, that is equal to z minus z1 upon c. This is your equation of Cartesian form of a line. So equation of a line passing through a point A and parallel to the given vector m, which was Cartesian form. So vector form is, so again I'm writing vector form is nothing but R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda m vector. This is your vector form for the line equation, and this part is Cartesian form for the line equation. So kindly remember these two forms. How it was derived, I was explaining to you. I hope you all understanding, and if you are not understood, inform to me so that again I will explain to you. So here first thing, if you want a vector, just you need to write x is x1 y1 z1 means x1 I cap y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. If you want R vector, that is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. If you want M vector, so I'm thinking here it is a direction ratios are in this, that's what A I cap plus B J cap plus C K cap. So if you know this part, then its simplification is very easy by using R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda M vector. Okay, so that is about your proof. If you want once again go through your textbook, then you can understand clearly. But in this method, it was not there in your textbook. This much clearly not there. You just refer this and your textbook. Both refer, then it is possible to understand clearly. Okay, let's move on to the next one. That is second equation. Means if 2 points are given, what is your answer? So that is also for this. I don't Okay, anyhow, I will explain. Otherwise, it is not good. So I'll go for vector form again, Cartesian form when 2 points are given. So now we are going for second derivation. This is our first one. We'll go for now second. So these two are completed. Then solving your problems are very easy. Don't know by mistake. If they given in your examination, you should be ready to write. Because of that reason, I was explaining. Okay, now second one, equation of a line passing through two given points. Two given points. So now first vector form unit. Before going to that, first let me draw the points A, P, and D. O, this is A vector, and this was B vector, and this is your R vector. All right. So first I need to find what is AB vector. So AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector. OB is nothing but B vector minus OA is nothing but A vector. So first AB vector I was written, then next AP vector is equal to. So when you observe this, how to write? So AB vector is nothing but R vector minus A vector. So how it is? OP vector minus OA vector. OP is nothing but R vector minus OA is nothing but A vector. In that way you get. Then, so here it is. AP and AB are collinear vectors. So now how to solve this part? Observe carefully now. So I'm going directly. This is AP vector is equal to lambda AB vector. Okay. So AP vector is equal to lambda AB vector. That means your AP is parallel to the AB and it is collinear. So 1 minute. Health standard, so it was completing my charging more and more. So let me check much time. Screen is rotated. Yes, Janisha, it was happening because of some reasons. Okay, so means continuous class, na? That's the reason it was. So now we go for our problem. Once again, observe carefully. So vector is equal to OB minus OA, B vector minus A vector. AP vector is equal to OP vector minus OA vector. So now OP is nothing but R, OA is nothing but A. And AP is parallel to AB here. Observe carefully, AP and AB co-linear. So AP is a part of AB. So these both are co-linear. So and parallel also. So that's what they written AP vector is equal to lambda AB vector. AP means what do you know here? R vector minus A vector. So write R vector minus A vector. Lambda. AB means what do you know? B vector minus A vector. So write B vector minus A vector. So now here minus A vector, go to that side plus. So R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector minus. We are given R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, we'll complete fast in this. Once this is completed, I will leave you on. Okay. All right. So now R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector is nothing but your vector form. So now we need to find for Cartesian product. Cartesian form we have to find. Now Cartesian form we need to find. So we go for Cartesian form. R means same only, A means also same only, and B minus A also. It is the same method only. So here I'll take R as XYZ and A as X1, Y1, Z1, B as X2, Y2, Z2. So here A point is X1, Y1, Z1. B point is X2, Y2, Z2, and P point is X, Y, Z. Okay? So now just you can substitute here, then we get our answers. So R vector means we can write it as Xi cap plus Yj cap plus Zk cap is equal to now. A vector. A vector means here x, y, x1, y1, z1. So that we can write here x1 I cap plus, so then y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Okay? Plus lambda. B vector minus A vector. What is B vector here? X2, y2, z2. So I can write x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Minus symbol means all becomes as plus, all pluses becomes as minus. So minus x1 I cap plus x1 I cap minus y1 j cap minus z1 k cap. So once this is completed, it is completed. Tanish, you can concentrate. So once again refresh it so that it is possible to be understood by you. Let me check back. All right, I hope everyone is getting internet connection properly. Once again, I was checking. All right. I hope you are able to find now. Okay. So now after writing this, what we need to do, observe. So xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to, so now here x1, so write that x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap plus lambda x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, so then again, once again, we have to solve this part and then we are going to get our answer. So, how to get answer? Just observe now. So, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So, simply what we can do in this is we'll change in some other way so that it is going to be good. Okay. So whichever here is there, send this side so that what you get minus x and x1 I cap plus, sorry, plus also becomes minus y1 j cap minus z1 k cap. Observe carefully, whichever here is there, send to another side. So that is equal to, and in all the places x2 minus x1 into lambda I cap plus y2 minus y1 lambda j cap plus z2 minus z1 into lambda k cap. So now this part again I write here so that continuation will be It's very simple only. Okay, so now x minus x1 I cap, y minus y1 j cap, I cap. Then y2 minus y1 into lambda j cap. Then z2 minus z1 into lambda k cap. Then comparing corresponding elements. So when you compare x minus x1 is equal to x2 minus x1 into lambda. Next, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into lambda. Next, z minus z1 is equal to z2 minus z1 into lambda. So this three you are going to get. So I'm going to rub this part. Alright. So here z2 minus z1 into lambda. Find lambda now. Here multiplying, go to the x side division. So x minus x1 upon x2 minus 1 is equal to lambda. Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to lambda. Z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. At last, therefore, Cartesian form x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, that is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. This is your equation of a line if 2 points are given. So this is about the Cartesian form, how to find. So first we found that it is what is the vector form, and then we find what is your Cartesian form. And anyhow, this once again go to this offline video once it was uploaded and learn from it, so that it is going to be good for you all. So once again you will revise yourself. Okay. So that is about your your equation of a line passing through the two given points. Okay. So I hope you all understood this all. And in next class we are going to discuss our exercise number 14.2. And before that, whatever the examples are there, that we'll discuss first. Then, after completion of examples, we go for exercise problems. Okay? I hope you all understood everything. So, may God bless you all. So, any other problem is there, you can inform to me. Understood, sir. Janisha said. Very good. May God bless you all.